Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to like games on Roblox Mobile. So guys, this process will be just the same if you are using an Android or Apple device. So first thing that you will do is open up the Roblox application into your device and just sign in into your account if you haven't. And now from here, guys, just simply scroll down and just select the game that you like, or you can just use the search button at the top of the screen. And from here, let's say I'm going to go for Murder Mystery 2. And from here, just simply scroll down. And you should be able to see here, downvote and upvote. So from here, guys, just tap on the upvote to like a certain game. So as you can see, when we tap on the upvote, as you can see, there is a message that we must experience the game first. So just simply play the game, and you'll be able to like the game afterwards. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you.